Hey there, and welcome to the very first episode of Proximal Humerus fractures. Today we'll shed light on some basic concepts that will help as we go down the line. The proximal humerus is made up of 4 building blocks. For simplicity, imagine them as Lego blocks attached to one another to form the proximal humeral construct. The 4 blocks are the humeral head, H block, the greater tuberosity, G block, the lesser tuberosity, L block, and finally the humeral shaft, which is the S block. Each one of those Lego blocks are attached to one or more shoulder muscle that causes the fractured Lego block to displace according to the action of the attached muscle. The greater tube is attached to the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and teres minor. The lesser tube is attached to the subscapularis muscle. The shaft is attached to the pectoralis major. So if we have a G block fracture, the greater tube might displace superiorly and posteriorly. If we have an L block fracture, the lesser tube might displace medially, and for the S block fracture, the shaft might displace medially as well.